Hey diverse beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a massive declutter, clean out, spring clean out of my closet, honestly, because I'm gonna be realistic. My closet is literally looking a storage room. It looks like a storage room. It's just, there's more storage than actually clothes in it right now, which is kind of sad. So I really want to like get it all fixed, you know, clean it out, make it more organized. So yeah, that's the plan today. This closet is very small. It's a very small closet, especially compared to like all the storage that I used to have when I had my apartment. So yeah, we have to basically just work with what we got, which I'm totally fine with. And yeah, let's do that. So here is my closet, very small closet. I have this very dirty mirror on the door since I was like 10. This is a very old mirror, and there's even paint all over it because we painted the whole the whole room. So yeah, so let's introduce you to my dirty ass closet. Ta-da! That made a lot of noise. Okay. Up here, we did build this extra shelf because I didn't really have enough room for all of my things. So we built this extra shelf up there, and then I have basically like a lot of shoes and random bags. More bags, my pads. Yes, I am a woman. I have my period. That's normal. And hats, and then of course, my clothes is here. And I kind of try to arrange it based on like what I like, what I gravitate towards more. So basically all of my coats are back here, and then it goes into the cardigans, and then is my dresses, which I don't really have that many right now. A lot of them are like in storage bins. And then I have like cardigans, and then sweaters, tunic sweaters, and then it goes more into like my spring clothes. I hear my dog. Is that my dog? Okay, and then we have literally like all of my spring clothes here, which is kind of what I've been using a lot more, especially in then these two items here. And then it goes into like camis, and then skirts, and then all the way back, oh, and then all the way back here are all my jeans and stuff. So it's a little bit unorganized right now, so I want to fix that. Of course, I have like a lot of storage down here. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna take all of this out because I have way too many things up there, and then just figure out like how am I gonna organize this. And then over here I'm gonna just remove clothes that is already like too warm to wear nowadays, especially that the weather is transitioning. So yeah, let's do that. Guys, look at these massive shoes. I absolutely love these. Haven't worn them out ever, but they're great for pictures, and they're so beautiful. I love them. I also have these, never wore them outside, bought them and just basically you wore them in my house and that's it. They are size 38, so I think that's like a 7.5 maybe US, but they're so pretty.
Attention, my girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart.
This is actually clothes that I want to sell, but I'm trying to figure out if I want to get like a Poshmark or a Depop. Like Depop, I feel like it's very like fashion forward, super trendy, super retro, but then at the same time like there's a lot of pressure when it comes to Depop, especially because you have to like literally model everything, whereas for like Poshmark there's really not as much pressure. Does that make sense? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably sell this because it's just too big on me, and I feel like it never really looked good on me anyways. And then I'm gonna also sell this pant, and these are like really pretty like sweatpant type of pants. But they still have its tag. I bought them in Korea from H&M, and they're just like too big on me, and then I just didn't know how to return it. so I just ended up taking it with me. So okay, now that we got that one all cleared up, I'm thinking I should clear this up too, just so that I can see what's behind there, and if there's anything that I don't want, I can get rid of it, or if I do want it but I don't use it as much, I can put it up there. So yeah.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.
I legit have these shoes for like probably over 10 years, and I wore them I think once or twice, and that's it. Like, I don't even know why I still have them. Like, I always keep them because I'm like, oh, like, what if I have like a fancy occasion and blah blah blah, but like, am I really gonna be using it? Okay, so this is basically all the mess that I have, and these shoes I'm gonna donate, and then this clothes over here I'm gonna sell. So yeah, now it's time to figure out my clothes. I think I'm gonna pretty much keep most of my clothes. There are a couple of pieces that I'm just gonna take out and put into my winter storage bin. That way it doesn't take space, and I can just add in like my summer clothes later on. So yeah. I also have this really pretty dress, and it's like a bodycon dress, and I was pretty much obsessed with this when I first bought it, but I only wore it once and it's not really my style, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this one and donate it, or not donate it, but maybe try to sell it. We'll see how it goes. I also have this bodycon dress, also wore it only once, and this one was from Express, which is like pretty expensive, but yeah, I don't know like if I'll keep it. Like, it's a very formal dress, so it would be good for like formal situations, but I don't know like what I think about it, you know? And when it comes to my skirts, I feel like they all like some of them are good for winter and some of them are good for spring. So right now it's literally a mix of a lot of things. So I'm gonna get rid of the ones that are like kind of like more fall like, especially like the cheetah prints. I feel like those don't really work out for spring and summer. But then I'll probably keep this one in my closet, which is like a cream color, and like the floral skirt that you guys saw in my Shein video. And then these I'm gonna probably just put in the storage as well. But so far it's looking really good, and it's looking a lot more decluttered, which I'm very happy about. Even the shoe area is looking a lot more decluttered, which I'm happy about. So yeah, I just have to get rid of this and clean a bit more. I definitely need for a coffee break. I definitely need a coffee break right now. I'm like so tired. So yeah, let's get some coffee.
She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.
Got my coffee. Let's do this. So my grandparents ended up giving me this little like, I guess, basket. Apparently this used to be mine when I was a kid. I don't remember that. But yeah, they told me like, hey, why don't you use this to like, you know, clean things up in your closet? And I'm like, okay, why not? I think I'm gonna probably put like bags in here and then put it at the floor, or I can put all of my nail stuff. I've been really into nail designs these days, and so I'm gonna try doing, you know, my own nails. So yeah, but then at the same time, I want to keep all of my nail products like outside so that I'm able to use them, you know, whenever I want to do my nails. So yeah, so maybe I'm just gonna put bags in here and see how it goes. I ended up pretty much putting all of my like LED lights and things that I use for filming here, just because it'll be easier for me to like take it out. And I added some like stuff that I use for like gift wrapping and like, you know, holidays and stuff. So yeah, that will be in this box. Okay, so far this is kind of how I organized it. Not the best, I know. I do want to buy like little like basket organizers so that everything looks just a little bit more presentable. But But I kept all of my nail stuff here, so that way I could just easily take it out whenever I need it. I got all of my bucket hats and winter hats here for now. And then of course all the bags that I usually use or I will be using. Of course up there, as I said, is all of my winter shoes, and then over here it's like all of my extra hangers, as well as like my backpack and just bags that I usually don't use up there. So far looking really good. And then I have all of my clothes that I'm currently using for spring. I will be adding summer pieces later on in the month. For now I'm not gonna add it just because I don't want to like over clutter everything. And then I put all of my spring and summer shoes down here. Usually these days I just wear sneakers and stuff like that, but of course I have my heels and my sandals. And then over here I organized my little basket with all of my production stuff that I use for filming and pictures, as well as my gift items. And over here I just kept all of my bags in this organizer that I got from my grandma, so thank you, Grandma. And it's very convenient. Definitely not my style, but still it works, so that's why I kept it. I think this is how my closet is gonna stay. I really like it. So far it's very organized. I definitely will get the baskets to organize this area here. That way it just looks a little bit more better. But yeah, everything looks pretty good. Okay, so that's pretty much everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, don't forget to join the Diverse Beauty Squad. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.